Okay, now this question is really just asking a pH, but we've been given a slightly more involved case because we need to work out, for instance, the concentration of the quinine to start with, and or the volumes and the number of moles. And obviously there's 100 mils of it, because we're told that. We're told also that the solubility is 0.577 grams in 1 litre. Now, so obviously we can work out the number of moles in 1 litre, and that's just going to be 0.577 grams divided by 324.4, and it's going to give us 1.779 times 10 to the negative 3 moles. It's in 1 litre, but we have 100 mils here, so we can just change that decimal place and make that times 10 to the negative 4 moles, and that's in 100 mils. Now if we look at the HCl, we know that that's the number of, so concentration equals moles divided by volume. So the volume is going to be moles divided by concentration. So that's 1.779 times 10 to the negative 4 divided by the concentration, which we're told is 0.01. And go ahead and do that, and we'll get that obviously is going to be equal to 17.79 mils if we convert that into mils. Now this is obviously started off as a base, it's reacted with a strong acid, and by the time we get to endpoint we're dealing with a weak acid calculation, which you should be used to. Now, so we can use Ka here, and that's just going to be equal to the hydronium ion concentration squared over the concentration of that weak acid. Now that weak acid is going to be the number of moles, which we've already calculated, divided by the total volume. Now that should be, make sure we make that into litres, and that should be over. Okay, so if we just change it around a bit, that concentration there becomes this. So we do that calculation, it becomes 1.51 times 10 to the negative 3 moles per litre. This is going to end up multiplied by this, and we're going to take the square root to work out the hydrogen ion concentration. Now what we should end up with from this is something like 1.37 times 10 to the negative 6 moles per litre, and if you find the pH of that, it should equal approximately 5.86, and that's that question done.